So for that we need ingredients: a big bowl, cool water, 1 cup maida, 1 spoon sugar and 1 spoon salt. For that we need to mix a batter. So take the big bowl, keep this 1 bowl of maida in this big bowl. Take 1 spoon sugar. And this 1 spoon salt. Use this cool water. If you use this cool water, batter will be soft and egg puff will be crunchy. Use water little and mix. Like the chapati batter, but it should be some soft more than that. After mixing it like this softly, you have to keep this 30 minutes aside with this wet napkin. Cover it with a wet napkin. Cover this dough with a wet napkin and keep it aside for 30 minutes. After keeping aside for half an hour, remove the wet cloth and squeeze it for a while. Then divide it into 2 equal parts. Now take this. Take some maida. In a rectangular way. After doing it in a rectangular shape, take some butter, apply it, spread it evenly. After spreading the butter, you have to take some maida and just spread it. Spread some maida and fold it into half. This fold is called as book fold. After doing this book fold, you have to keep half an hour in the freezer. After removing this from freezer after half an hour, it should be hard like this. Then again you have to keep it on this and do it in a rectangular shape. To prepare for the curry next. For that, you have to on the stove. 1 teaspoon oil, 1 chilli and 2 onions. You have to fry them. till it is golden brown color. Now it's golden brownish color. You have to add ginger garlic paste and fry it for 2 minutes. In this, you have to keep kasuri methi, turmeric, salt, dhania powder, chaat masala, chili powder and dhania powder and mix it. Now in this we have to add 1 spoon water and mix. Now in this you have to sprinkle chili powder, salt and pepper powder. You kept this batter like this in the freezer after 3-4 layers. So you have to cut it into half. After 3-4 layers, you can see some layers inside like this. Then you keep one aside and you have to spread this even. After spreading this in a square shape, you have to cut these parts into 6 equal squares. Take one piece, keep some curry in the middle. Take one egg and keep it on the curry. Apply water 4 sides and fold it to the egg. And blush some butter. Do like that for all the pieces. Take a bowl, apply butter to the bowl, all the sides. And then keep the pieces in the bowl. You have to keep this bowl, big bowl like this. Inside the stove, you have to keep a stand and then heat it for some time. On that stand, you have to keep this bowl and heat it for 20 minutes. 20 minutes on the stove, it will be like this, crunchy. If you eat this egg puff with sauce, it will be so yummy.